Ola's probably not going to be happy with me for not filming this, but thought I better film a little real quick. I've got that farmhand bail grapple hooked on. I didn't film that because all it was is just unbolting the other tractor mount plates and bolting on a skid steer style, which is what mine uses. It looks crazy as heck. I'll be the first to admit it. That looks wonky. It looks like there's a whole tractor worth of equipment attachment out here on the front of that little thing. I've pulled 8 bales down and stacked, set them. Unfortunately, all of these in here, most of them are going this direction, so they're the wrong direction to get on the grapple well. The tines go down in between the leaves instead of grabbing the leaf. So anyway, I'm gonna hook onto it and see. There's 8 bales there, and these were averaging about 100 pounds. So it's only 800 pounds, and I figure this thing maybe weighs 800 to 1,000. So we're still should be on the light end of things for what it is. But let's give it a whirl and see. That thing up here first. All right. So nice 8-pack, that's just right. Hold it times in, the bales, pick them up. It doesn't feel that much different than when I'm packing one of them bigger bales, even though it's hanging out so much farther. One loose bell, it's starting to come apart. I think it's going to work out fine for us, other than I made a few of them bales I made were pretty wonky and loose, so the ends came out of that one and it's just hanging by the strings. But it's going to work. I'm going to go take these up to the cow and the horses real quick. worked out just fine. It's gonna be pretty helpful considering all the small bales we've got to deal with this year and for the foreseeable future for a minute. So it'll be a big help. 8 bales at a time. That's nice.